guy's just starting out pulling, come out and get his feet wet. So Nick Salem, here he goes. Flag, and he's ready to go with his 2002 Chevrolet. Matt Green out of Marshall, Indiana is your next puller. Matt has the green flag. City, Indiana, Trevor Holden, a 2007 Dodge. Here in your 2005 Chevrolet. And he's got the green light. Andy coming out of Noblesville, Indiana. Well, my love's going to pull farther than 300 feet, but let's see how far Ryan Perkins pulls in his 3500 Dodge. Salem looking to beat the distance of 351 at 9.5. We'll see what he does. Well, my apologies both here. He's coming back. This is our last puller in the work stock class, Jesse Scott.